Keeping a home comfortable without overspending on energy is a priority for many homeowners. Windows play a major role in how efficiently a home manages indoor temperatures. For homeowners in Austin, vinyl windows have become a popular choice for reducing energy costs while maintaining comfort and reliability throughout the year. Why windows impact energy use? Windows are one of the main areas where indoor and outdoor air meet. When windows don't seal properly or lack effective insulation, energy is lost through drafts and heat transfer. In Austin homes, older windows often allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter. This forces indoor systems to work harder, leading to higher energy use and increased utility bills. The energy-efficient design of vinyl windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Their frames provide strong insulation that helps limit heat transfer between indoors and outdoors. For Austin homeowners, this insulation helps maintain more consistent indoor temperatures. Rooms stay comfortable longer without frequent adjustments, supporting lower energy usage. Reducing air leaks through tight sealing. Air leaks are a common cause of energy loss. Vinyl windows are built to close tightly, reducing gaps where air can pass through. In Austin homes, this tight sealing helps prevent drafts near windows. By keeping conditioned air inside, vinyl windows reduce the strain on indoor systems and help lower energy costs. Limiting heat transfer through glass and frame. Heat moves easily through inefficient windows, increasing the workload on indoor systems. Vinyl windows are designed to slow this process. For Austin homeowners, reduced heat transfer means less indoor heat buildup during warmer conditions and better temperature stability overall. This efficiency directly supports lower energy bills. Maintaining stable indoor temperatures. Temperature swings often cause indoor systems to cycle more frequently. Vinyl windows help create a more stable indoor environment. Austin homeowners notice fewer hot or cold spots near windows, making rooms more comfortable and reducing the need for constant system adjustments. Improving comfort without extra energy use. Comfort doesn't have to mean higher energy costs. Vinyl windows help maintain pleasant indoor conditions naturally. In Austin homes, improved insulation and sealing allow homeowners to enjoy comfortable spaces without relying heavily on indoor systems, supporting energy savings. Supporting efficient system operation. When windows leak air, indoor systems must run longer to compensate. Vinyl windows help reduce this energy waste. Austin homeowners benefit from windows that support efficient system performance, leading to lower overall energy use and more predictable utility bills. Long-term savings that add up. Energy savings from vinyl windows aren't just immediate, they continue over time. Reduced energy use leads to consistent monthly savings. For Austin homeowners, these long-term savings help offset the initial investment in vinyl windows while continuing to deliver value year after year. Reducing maintenance-related energy loss. Older windows often require frequent repairs that don't fully address energy inefficiencies. Vinyl windows maintain their performance with minimal upkeep. Austin homeowners appreciate windows that continue to reduce energy costs without constant maintenance or adjustments. A smart choice for energy-conscious homeowners. Vinyl windows offer a practical way to improve comfort and reduce energy costs at the same time. Their insulated frames and tight seals help homes perform more efficiently. For homeowners in Austin, vinyl windows are a smart investment in long-term energy savings. By reducing air leaks, limiting heat transfer, and supporting consistent indoor temperatures, they help create a more comfortable, cost-effective home that's easier to enjoy every day.